Like gold, oil is a commodity, so much of the time it's significantly more volatile than Forex. Unlike gold, oil is not a defensive instrument, so its volatility can be higher than gold. On lower time frames in particular, oil can often change direction very quickly. At the same time, if there is a clear trend, movements in line with the trend can be sharp with a clear direction, especially on time frames like 4-hour and daily charts. Volatility means both opportunities and risks for traders. As a general rule, it's better to keep positions for crude oil smaller than for Forex. Many traders also try to avoid holding positions for oil over the weekend. Oil is usually one of the most sensitive instruments to geopolitical and trade tension. This is partially because the world's largest consumer of oil is China. Demand for and availability of Chinese goods decrease during international disputes over trade. Equally, military tension can have a strong effect on the price of oil. For example, in late 2019 and early 2020, the USA and Iran rattled sabres over instability in Iraq, and the price of oil soared as participants priced in military activity. Many traders avoid holding positions for oil over the weekend wherever possible. This is partially because Sunday is a normal working day in Saudi Arabia, one of the world's biggest producers. So news from the kingdom on Sunday can generate large gaps up and down between Friday and Monday. Oil is often referred to as a pure commodity. This is because, unlike gold, it has no real use as a hedge against inflation or as a defensive asset. Supply and demand of crude affects the price much more than many other instruments. There are various ways to monitor these, but the most common among traders of CFDs is to check weekly data on stocks in the USA. The American Petroleum Institute and Energy Information Administration release statistics on weekly changes in stocks, normally every Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon GMT. Traders monitor these figures and trends in them to discover the likely outlook for the price of oil over the next few days. Releases and news from the International Energy Agency can also give some insights.